control now.
Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma has said that the government will not allow any fake universities in the state. Recently, some private universities in Meghalaya were found to be involved in the illegal business of selling fake certificates. Reacting to such instances, Education Minister said that the government will not allow any university to bring bad name to Meghalaya, even as he stated that the government will take all measures to ensure that universities in Meghalaya do not indulge in such activities.
This is what if anybody try to do all this, so this is unfortunate and we will not allow. We will make sure so nothing else of all this kind should happen in the state. Okay, we will. So if anybody trying or planning to have all this kind, no, we will not allow, and we will find a go into the depth of all this issue.
The ruling NPP, which has been maintaining